I'll tell us straight this morning out of Mlungu's mouth. Once again, Mlungu must tell you this. You think South Africa is going to change? Absolutely never. Nowhere it's going to change whilst this government is in power, or national government of unity. And I'm going to give you the reason why. Everybody's got a lot to say, but I'm telling you, I don't know who the government prays to or the South African people pray to, but it's getting worse in South Africa. It will not get better. You can see it, it's getting worse. So those prayers are not answered. I don't know if it's to your ancestors, but there's something wrong. Then you got this president that belongs to BRICS. He fitted South Africa into BRICS. And I asked a couple of years ago, what did BRICS do for you? What did they do for you? People were firing at me and saying, but they're still going to do something. But he goes and borrows 5 billion euros at the European Union. But he belongs to BRICS. Why doesn't he ask BRICS? And why does he run to Umlungu countries for help? Why not run to Africa? Why? There's so many African countries that can help. Why don't you run to Africa for help? Can't they help you because they're poor as it is? Because of corruption. And South Africa is exactly on the same route as any other African country. And I'm telling you that rape, murder, all of that's not going to stop. We're the most violent country in the world. Come May, after apartheid so many years, that God has given you so many chances as to fix things. You still can't do it. You won't be able to do it. It's not on your list to do it. It's not capable of doing it. Just because of one thing. Get God back into your parliament. G-O-D, God. Read my lips. Get God back into your parliament. Stop praying to other things that can't answer you. I see they sit there in America. They want a pat on the back. John Steenhuisen, a whole lot of them. That our president, Cyril Ramaphosa, doesn't even know about those white crosses that was planted for farm murders. Well, you want to get rid of the Mlungus, then you must see what you're going to get the rest of Africa, which he can't even run to go get help from, because they've got nothing. They also chase to Mlungus. So my question to you is, unless you submit humbly before God in your parliament, take leadership and ask God for help, and once you get it, change your police force straight away, because that's so corrupt. Evil. Most of them, not all of them, most of them. Evil. They can't even fight crime. They don't even have vehicles, logistics to fight crime in South Africa. They got nothing. And even the army as well. They can't even fight in Congo. No discipline. And then you need a police force to look after the current police force because they're corrupt. And then you need another police force to look after the one that's looking after the current police force because they're all corrupt. It's not going to change. Nothing in South Africa is going to change. You can go and ask for money, technology and drones and whatever to fight crime. It's not going to stop rape. It's not going to stop murder, farm murders. It's not going to stop the violence in South Africa because the heart condition of the South Africans are wrong. It's hardened. It's evil. No God in parliament. No goodness for this country. I say it again. No God in parliament. No good for this country. That's just the way it is. So go and try your man-made things and your money and try and make it better. It's not going to change. I'm telling you. Tell us straight this morning. So all I can say to you is, you can listen to me again and again and again unless you change things. I'm prophesying it this morning. If you don't bring God back into your parliament, you are going to pay a hefty price, and we are busy paying for it because we are going down faster than what bricks are falling down. Get God back into your parliament very quickly. Otherwise, you're going to see a hell of a train smash. Good luck, Cyril Ramaphosa, John Steenhuisen, with all your plans. all your ministers and all their plans, those plans will come to absolutely nothing. Nothing, because you don't have God's backing for it. Good luck.